My name is Koichi Funaya. I'm Chief Technology Architect at NEC Laboratories Europe. I'm responsible for developing new technology domains and innovative business paradigm. I'm also leading a materials informatics research by leveraging various technologies at NEC Laboratories Europe. These days, we face the issue of global warming and plastic pollution. And biomass, with its biodegradable capability, can be a prime solution for these problems. But how can we find a best bioplastics from a vast possibilities of biomass? This is a very difficult question, and that's what we want to tackle. Our target at NEC is to develop a so-called material design framework which leverages resources that are available for exploring new material designs. Typical process of exploring and identifying new material starts from exploring the literature. From there, they use their hunch or their expertise or experiences to guide through a very expensive process of so-called wet lab research. With our approach of integrating the literature knowledge and machine learning models, we can make this process very effective and efficient. To discover scientific knowledge, we have developed an information extraction engine. One is a rule-based engine called Graphy. The other one is deep language model-based engine called Mili. Graphy produces a hierarchical output, which is very useful for searching information, and Mili has the capability, the high capability to infer knowledge in the text. And together, we improve the hit rate when searching or when querying information from text. Once we acquired knowledge from information sources, then we apply our scientific computing technology. And for that, we are developing a surrogate model of physical systems. And in our case, the surrogate model models the molecular structure and their behavior with machine learning approaches.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.